So here how our accounting system will save your time. On dashboard you will see many cards in which you will see your net profit and loss, cash and bank balance, total revenue, and how many employees are present today and absent today. Here you can manage all your company information like your name, email, GST number, PAN number, your address, and you can add multiple GST as you have multiple stores in our country. It's your company address, our main company address, and here are all your clients in uh, that give you sales. You can create here client, and when you enter a GST number, it will automatic get the details. Like I enter a GST number of Hindustan Unilever Limited, and it automatic fetch details. For creating invoice to this client, you can go on all invoices and create a new invoice. You have to select your customer and fill the items. Like I have one service and one product, so I will enter shoes and it shows me, and here you can see I will enter the quantity, the desired quantity I have to sell. Currently I have 398 quantities, and if I try to sell 400, it gives me error that you can't sell that much quantities. Now in accounting you will show all your journal entries, like it's automatically created when I create an invoice for a John Doe discount allowed for 200 rupees, and then I make a sale of 5,000, and then I receive a tax of 864. When I receive a payment also, it makes an automatic entry. You will see here a option to manage your payments. There are you will see here multiple actions to download a PDF and preview a invoice, and to duplicate an invoice, to send a mail to client, and you can create a credit note for this invoice as customer returns some goods back. So from here also you can create credit notes. What you have to do, just go here and search for a invoice for which you have to create a credit note. It will automatically fill all the details here. Now you can create a credit note, and in automatic makes a journal entry for a credit note also. Like this. Here it makes a credit note entry when I create a credit note for the client. Sales return account is debit to Maharashtra Output GST account. Credit is John Doe. Here you can manage all your vendors from which you are purchasing goods and services for your company, and create invoices, purchase invoices. When you create a purchase invoice, you can maintain your payment here by enter here make payment. It shows you make a payment of 1,50,000 on 8 April. Now you can enter more amount, like today you pay 1 lakh rupees to him. You have to manage a date and a payment mode. Then it makes an automatic journal entry of a payment. Like when you create a purchase note, it makes automatic entry purchase account debit Maharashtra Input GST amount debit to Mehak Mittal account. This entry is for when you make a payment, bank account debit to Mehak Mittal. Here if you make a payment from bank, so it shows a bank account. If you make from it cash, so it cash in hand account. And then debit note. Debit note is issue when you have to return some amounts to client. Like here I have created a debit note. for 100 items. I have written back 100 items, so I have created a debit note of 59,000 rupees. In inventory management, you will see it automatics manage all the inventories. Here are all your warehouse. It's a uh, warehouse in which you have received all, you have stored all your goods. And in stock management, you can manage and create units. You can manage and create products and transfer products from one warehouse to another warehouse by selected option. From POS system, you will sell your. It's a point of sale system in which you can create add items and sell to clients by just checkout. You have select option that is paid or credit or pending payment method. Enter client details like and it's done. You will see all your orders here in order section. Now you will see when I make a order, it automatic made a journal entry for my order. Bank account debit to sales account to output CGST and to output SGST. In inventory management system, now you will see here I have only 396 quantities, but previously it is 398. But I have sell two quantities, so it automatically detect the quantity here. And it automatically manage inventory when you create an invoice and then purchase inventories like here you have purchased 500 quantities, but you have returned 100 quantities, and then you have make a sale for 4 quantities, so that's why it automatically deducts that 4 quantities from your inventory, and then now it shows a 396. So here how you can see here all reports related to accounting like trial balance. By clicking here you can see a proper detail for that ledger and profit and loss account. Here it shows the net profit, operating expense, gross profit, total revenue based on your journal entries. And this is cash flow statement. Here you can see how much amount you received and how much amount you paid. By clicking here you can see a proper narration and a proper notes about that entry. And this is tree style balance sheet. Here you can see a modern view and a tally view. Like it shows you have liabilities and assets like bank. You have made a and you will see a journal entry also. This is schedule 3 balance sheet. Here it shows you all the total equity and liabilities and total assets. And this is tax summary. It shows how much you have your income, and then you and as per based on old tax regime and new tax regime, it shows you which suits you and which gives you benefits using these deductions. And here you can see GST dashboard. It shows you all the compliance and all your output liability and ITC net GST you have paid. In GST summary, you will see how much you have collected CGST, SGST, and how much are B2C suppliers. Like B2C suppliers are suppliers that don't have GST number, means business to customer.